Hey you guys, welcome back to the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mandy from Mandy's World, and today I have a hair unboxing. Yes, you guys, I ordered some hair off of Aliexpress, and it was from a company called Binf, B-I-N-F, and it came in this cute little box. Yes, honey, isn't this cute? Wigs, 100% human hair in the bowl. I love to feel special. I do. So, yes, this is the company right here. Binf. Binf. And it came with this. This is so cute. It says, "You're chosen to be our special customer." And that's sweet. That just makes you feel so, like, loved. Okay, it came with your trusty dusty elastic band. That's to make sure this wig don't come off, sis. We don't want to be walking around and the wig fly off, okay? Next, and they must have knew I was a brown girl. They must have knew. Somebody told them I was a brown girl, so they sent me a wig cap to match my complexion. Yes, thank you, Bill. And here we go. Here, whoa, excuse me, y'all. This is the 24-inch deepwave wig, 150 density. Now, honey, when I first opened this box and saw this hair, when I saw this wig, mama, this wig, first of all, it's 100% lace wig. It has 2 clips in the top and 1 in the back. And baby, 450, I already know. It's thick, but it ain't too thick. Like, look at it. First of all, it's soft. Second of all, it definitely is not, it's not gonna get like this, you know what I'm talking about. This, that triangle that we all hate, it ain't gonna get like that. I can tell just by the way it is. I love the curl. The curl is so defined already. I'm gonna wash this wig and get it installed tomorrow, and I'm gonna make another video when I get it installed. I love this hair. Thank you, Binf. I must add that I did buy this wig, and it was reasonable on AliExpress. I did not sponsored. I'm just a new YouTuber, but I did buy the wig, but it was very cheap, and I can't really remember. I think it was like one something. Anyway, I gotta look and see exactly how much it was, but it really wasn't much to say I got this beautiful 24-inch wig. It really wasn't. So you guys, thank you for coming in and saying hi once again. If you do not follow me already, subscribe to my channel, sis. Come on. Come on, subscribe to my channel. Hit a like if you do like my content, and definitely follow me at Mandy's World on Instagram. Don't you want to see what I'm up to, sis? Follow me.